Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I have something awesome that I use for my arsenal that I want to show you guys here today. Check it out. Right in front of me here, this is my ring light that I use all the time. This is the UBeesize 12-inch touchable ring light. It has the phone holder in the middle, the ring light all around it, and it's a touchable control all right here. And I want to show you how it brightens up my whole entire video so you can see everything in action in this video today. So currently right now I have this plugged in. You can see the blue light right here on the UBeesize touchable ring light. There's a power button, there is the plus button, there is a switch control button there, and then there's also a minus button so you can decrease the brightness. But I'm going to turn this around, shine it at the wall, so you can see how it looks like, how it shines like. So that way, if you want one for yourself, you know exactly which one to get, because I love this light. I'm going to press the power button right now, and it gives me a really nice glow, right? So it gives me a nice shine. You can actually see my face right there on the camera, and this is the ring light that I have here. I'm going to switch some lights around, so that way you can see how different each light is when you are recording video or when you're doing pictures. So right now I have this on the lowest setting when it comes to decreasing the brightness. And you can increase it. So this is level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7, level 8, level 9. That's it. Just like 9 levels of how bright you can go. So you can actually see me, right? You can see me, and it's actually, on my end, it looks really good. On this end, I look really good too. So this is actually pretty awesome. And then I have this button here, which is a switch button that changes the different colors, the different type of modes on the ring light. So there's one. There's more of a warm depth to it, okay? You got a warmer color. You have kind of a haze, pinkish color. And you have the soft white light. And it brings back to the blue white light there. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this gets pretty tall as well. So right now, I'm about like 5'8". So this is standing in about the same exact height as I am at the moment. You can actually raise this up and you can get another foot. So that gives you a lot of space. If you are doing videos like me where you are trying to adjust the angle of this, you can actually lay it down like a 90-degree angle and record from the bottom. Or if you wanted to do it where it is a 45-degree angle, there's a 45-degree angle right here. You can put your phone down and you can actually use so much of this light to record video, to do projects, to do a lot of things. And then all you gotta do is twist this back up to bring it back, tighten it up, and then you have it. So it's pretty basic, pretty simple. It has a cord that plugs right in, and then it also plugs right in to a USB slot. But you guys, that's all I got for you. All I wanted to do is show you this ring light. If you want one for yourself, make sure to check out the description down below. It has a link so that way you can get it for yourself. I use it so much, and I am highly rating this product because it's used for my arsenal, and it's going to make my video so much better. It's going to make your video so much better. If you are doing a lot of face videos, this is going to be the ring light for you. And don't forget to make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can see more of these videos. But until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.